Well, hi class, this is Miss Leisure. We're going to talk about the basics of angles. First, I thought I'd start out here with some interesting definitions, or at least I thought they were interesting. Maybe not to you. But an angle, or angular meaning the adjective, means the corner of an angle in Latin. In Latin, the word lus, which calculus, angulus, it means a little bend, and I thought of the minions down there because it's a diminutive ending. All right, and then in mathematics, the formal definition of a measure of an angle is how much it bends. How much is the angle bent? All right, so moving on. Okay, here's where you're going to start taking your notes. Definition. An angle is a combination of two rays. Some people call them half lines. I don't like that. They're rays with common endpoint. And so, your common endpoint's down here, and that's also known as the vertex. There you go, the vertex. Okay, moving on. The ladder is known as the vertex. Okay, and the rays are also known as the sides. Sometimes the rays are called legs, sometimes the rays are called sides or arms as well. It's called sides, legs, and arms. Interesting. A lot of names there. Okay, so how do we name angles? Let's talk about that real quick. Naming an angle, look at the angle on the right. You could call it angle A, B, C. You always want to start out on the side and then work your way back around, so ABC. Another option would be CBA. Exactly. Could I use the name BCA? Good. No, you can't, because that would mean you're starting at B and going out to C and up to A. Good. So that one's not an option. Okay. Two other options in this case would be angle B or angle 3. Okay, so you have 4 possible names here for this picture. So I'm going to give you 3. There they are. And I want you to try and name these. So pause this real quickly and give it a shot. All right, class, welcome back. Let's see what the answers are. How'd you do? Good, good, good. All right, so just be careful. Make sure that you always put the corner here, oops, wrong pen, that you always put the vertex or the corner in the center of the names, okay? Any questions? Okay, so how about this one? Can you use all 4 possible names for this one? Well, how about the angle A? Can I say angle A is the name for this one? Why not? Good, because it would refer to all 4 of those angles. And so you don't know which one I'm actually specifying. So, can't use that. But what if I am using this angle? I can name it. Good. Angle HAM or angle MAH. Any questions there? Ask me tomorrow in school. Make a note. All right. Now, really quickly here, this just is to define where the interior of the angle is and where the exterior angle of the angle is. So, interior is any of this space in here and as far out as it will go. Exterior is anything on the outside. Okay? All right, so angle addition postulate, and that was part of the interior. That's why we had to specify where the interior was. So the interior, if we know that angle T is in the interior of the angle, and it is here, angle T, you can see right here, is on the interior. So if that angle is on the interior, then we know, oh well, there we go. Angle T is on the interior of this angle. All right. Then we know that angle MAT, yeah, look at it closely, plus the measure of angle TAB over here is equal to the measure of the whole thing, angle MAB. So MAT plus TAB equals the whole angle. Good. If this angle was 45 degrees, MAT, and TAB was 20 degrees, then what would the whole angle be? Angle MAB. You guessed it, 65 degrees. So, you get to try one. All I'm asking you to do is write the angle addition postulate. That's it. I'm not asking you to do anything else with this one. So pause it and do it real quick. Welcome back. Let's see if you got what I got. I said angle ASO, angle OSE is equal to angle ASE. Any questions? Make a note. See me in class tomorrow. Thank you for visiting the Leisure Math channel. Have a great day.